air from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then again from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. There's over 100 instant prizes and cash prizes up to $2,500 for each drawing.
Here.
Wow.
I like that.
Let's go to Grand Victoria Casino on Friday for the Lucky Sevens giveaway and Saturday for the AC Doocy
Nothing
drawing.
there.
At least bring my lucky rabbits for you.
I was obviously wrong where the stud was.
Have you heard? Proactive is better than ever. Stay tuned for a $1 million bottle giveaway, and you'll also receive free shipping.
Do you have trouble skin, acne? Well, we have great news. With Proactive, your acne can heal, and you can prevent new breakouts from happening. Don't miss this limited time offer. Give us a call at 1-800-214-8285 because we're going to let 1 million people try Proactive risk-free, get 2 free gifts, and also receive free shipping when you
Yeah, I'm going to get the shot back, and I'm going to be like, whoa.
This offer won't last long. Call Proactive now, and you'll receive a 60-day risk-free trial of Proactive, 2 free extras, and
They should have gone like a line.
when you call 1-800-214-8285.
Yeah, we're videotaping. We're beating the shit out of a wall.
Radio offer ever. Get your risk-free 60-day trial of Proactive plus free shipping. That's
Make sure we know where the
free
studs
shipping.
are.
This offer won't last long. Call 1-800-214-8285. That's 1-800-214-8285.
Make sure not to hit this piece. Or this piece.
Are you waiting to settle a lawsuit, but you need cash now?
In talking with my lawyer, I knew I had an issue, but I also knew it might take a really long time before I get any settlement money. And I need cash right away.
If you're waiting to settle a personal injury lawsuit, Peachtree Pre-Settlement Funding can give you the money you need now. This is not a loan.
Tomahawk!
And even if you lose your lawsuit, you'd
my
never have to pay
eyes.
us back. You can keep it.
Ow!
Call now
No!
for free information and see how much cash you can get. 1-800-500-3375.
Behind me.
Can I throw it at this? Due bills I couldn't pay.
Yeah.
And I was days away from being evicted. I called Peachtree, and they sent me the money I needed.
Throw it.
I don't know how I would have survived without
Call Peachtree for free information and see how much money you can get right now. 1-800-500-3375.
You're gonna smash my brain.
That's
Ow, my eyes.
1-800-3305. 1-800-500-3305.
If you started your college degree but never quite finished it, I have to do with getting past the promotions you deserve. It's time to reinvent yourself with a degree. Program for adult-centered education. They can help you put your education back on the family priority list with degree options in business, leadership, counseling, and computer information technology. For more information, email PACE. That's PACE@acu.edu today.
commercials over. Time to rock.
Oh yeah, man, just spin.
96 Rock.
You make me angry, woman. Give me a beer. Give me a beer. Let's see where the other stud is. That's the stud. Where is it? Yeah! This is awesome. Hang on.
There. That right here.
There. I don't see one.
No. Look. Here. Look. Look. Oh wait.
You ripped the mantle.
Are you gonna be in trouble?
Probably not. Here, hang on. Let me beat this piece. Oh! Mantle fell off. You're a shit, dude. Yeah! Double team. You think you're better than us? Yeah. It's still recording. Keep going, man.
Where's the other one? Yeah, on this side.
Found it. Right there.
So it's free here? Free here?
Yeah. Here, let's go around the top and the bottom. So that we can like rip this entire thing off.
Wait, so stud here. Stud here. Look.
There's a stud here too. Yeah.
So.
Found another stud over here probably.
In my eyes. Where's that? Where's that? Alright. This is just stupid, but.
You look scary.
It's still got in my eyes.
It's more new rock.
Riptide.
Cincinnati's Pure Rock.
I went through 6 puppies in a long time.
Getting on my bed.
You are eating children, they're too fat to feed. You're on medication. Just fine. The better way you do it. Don't get vaccinated. You was got too much. So precision. Without feeling the same thing in my life. It's not what you do. I won't justify.
Just stud here.
So. Not here too.
Now if you can just get past that. That's
Step on cracks. Go against the odds. You know what it's bad. You want to
Strip it naked. Bless you.
never redecide. Don't mind if you wait.
Bless you. Yeah! Let's get that section. I'll tear this stuff out. Put this in a pile right here.
Just hanging out here at 96.5 FM. You know, 96 Rock.
Getting a text from my girlfriend. Oh.
No, I meant what they calling you.
I don't know. Why should I care? We broke the wall. Good job, Matt.